Hey everybody, it's Troy from Roadside RC. Today we are looking at the Haiboxing new 18859 race truck, monster truck, 18th scale, four-wheel drive brushed. We've had a couple other Haiboxing vehicles and we are looking at it, this new one, brand new released right here. Okay, so overall what we have in the box here, vehicle and controller, as you would expect. Looks like there is already a battery in the truck, just like it has been with the other Haiboxing vehicles we reviewed. Same thing, battery, charger, spare body clip. We've got the manual and we have got stickers. Looks like here actually they actually give us couple different choices as far as what kind of headlights, what kind of tail lights, all that kind of stuff we need. It looks like maybe the translation got them a little bit on this one. Kidding surrendered. Yep, beast snarling, truck race, and championship find you in. So maybe we could use some help with the translations there, but otherwise, you know, hey, again, you can customize your truck. We need to peel the clear plastic off. Let's check out underneath here. So what's really interesting here is this really looks like a shrunk down version of the 16th scale. All right, and then just like that, pow, look at this. Now we have two of them. So this is the truck version of this 18th scale from Haiboxing, and here is the Truggy version. You'll notice under the hood, they are basically exactly the same. Only difference is really that we have here is it looks like the tire tread itself, of course the body, and then this one has a wing on it. Controllers are the same, batteries are the same. Like I said, underneath the hood is the same, but look at that. Two good looking, very affordable, very price conscious, entry level into the hobby 18th scale trucks. All right, so this I find very interesting actually. So this is the previous 18th scale 8859 model. This is the current one that we have here, and then here is the 16th scale 16559 that we have, you know, referenced before. Really liked this truck. Thought the design of it was great. Speed, power, everything we were very happy with, especially for the price point. And really, when you take the body off of this one and this one, we are looking at twins here. Yes, the components are mirrored, some things along those lines. Yes, the motor is shrunk down, but as far as, and I apologize for the dirt here, but as far as center brace, the design here, everything, how it comes up, it is exactly the same. It's actually mirrored for some reason, but it is just shrunken down. We do have the adjustable collar shocks. Again, yes, they are not oil filled. They are very bouncy. Really, I mean, when we compare it to what was in the previous model, you can see how much bigger the tires were. You can see the motor looks like it's probably roughly the same, but it obviously has the revised speed control in it. But the vehicle's also just a little bit bigger. It looks beefier. I mean, when you look at the size of the control arms here on this side versus this, I mean, this is a vehicle that is substantially more durable, bigger, and everything than what we see here on the previous model. So really liking this new 18th scale. I think this is truly a step up. Look at this. So the total lineup, the old 8 scale truck, the new 8 scale Truggy, the new 8 scale truck, and then the 16th scale. We're going to get batteries in both of these. We're going to get outside and we're going to give them a shot, see how they do. So that's pretty good. So the 18858 and the 18859, so the truck and the Truggy, honestly, those are a major step up in how they perform versus the previous 18 scale from Haiboxing. Significantly better. Like, this might actually be kind of fun to where we even put some of the actual upgrade shocks on it to get them to handle a little bit nicer. But yeah, those, I mean, for the price these things are, they're really, really fun. Now, are they better than our, 8th scale Armor Bashers? No, they're not compared. That's not the same, right? This is a great entry level, budget-minded, getting into the hobby kind of a scenario here. Really, really fun. So thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about these trucks. And, would you want one? If we did a giveaway, would you want to have one of these if we did a giveaway? I'd be interested in hearing that. Last time I asked that question, I only got one response. So anyway, let us know what you think down below. We will be happy to talk to you down there about them if you have any questions about the vehicles. And then check us out in the next video. So while we're working on that, come over here, check out some of the other videos and things like that that we've made, whether it's drifting or racing or bashing or crawling, and we will see you next time. So thank you very much. Goodbye.